Hey, what is up everyone? So for today I have some exciting news. As you can tell, I'm not driving. My cousin is, where he's driving the 135i. Everything in terms of intercooler wise has gone perfectly. We've been driving the car a bit here and there, so no issues, nothing. You want to get off on this exit here? Yo, you're fucking up already. GTC 30s with 6-piston brakes will help a lot. No, but it is 4th of July. You guys will probably see this in a week or two, and I have some really exciting news of what's to come next. Hopefully, if everything goes good, I probably won't say it in the title of the video, but it's a surprise. No one knows. It's something that I have to buy and have had for a while now. So if you guys know me from the past, you guys know what I'm talking about. And if you guys are new to everything and the channel, you guys will see what is coming up. It is something that I thought I wasn't going to be able to have yet, but things have turned around for me. So right now we're loaded up the new car. As a surprise for some of you guys. So it is a 1978 Datsun 280Z 5-speed manual transmission. Since that it's a dual clutch. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen to this car yet. I've been looking at a couple swaps. Maybe keep it stock. Still don't know. All I know is that all that has to get taken out. Everything from inside has to get taken out. You know what? Strip it, put a roll cage in it. So we found some work to do. All that has been taken out from inside the car, as you guys can see. Even this is all broken off. So I'm gonna have to end up figuring out what goes where, what does what. This is even more of a reason why I should just go full race car with it and just clean up all the wiring that's unnecessary, because I don't know what this wiring is for. There's so much junk in here. There's like even like TV screens and whatnot. This has been a stressful day. It's an exciting but stressful day. Oh look, even these guys are gone. So I'll have to figure out something. I couldn't really show much of it. So basically, to kind of give you guys a bit of a background, was that Datsun is a 1978 Datsun 280Z with the 5-speed manual transmission, not like the other that had, I think it was like a 4-speed manual. This is a 5-speed manual. It has drum brakes in the back, which I want to switch over to discs. There's so much stuff I need to do to that car. There's so much things I need to change on it as well. But that's what I wanted to showcase to you guys, that I've had this. And when I mentioned earlier in the video that, you know, if you know me, you know this car. This car was bought over 5 years ago. And basically I've kind of had it with another family member, which they abandoned the car, and eventually I was able to go and pick it up and bring it with me. It is a very, I mean, either way, I've still had to buy it, but it was a very cheap price for what the car is and where it stands. It doesn't really drive. I made it run 5 years ago. I drove it 5 years ago. After the time that I did that, it just sat, never did anything again. I know that they touched it. They destroyed a lot of electrical stuff inside. Also from the inside, I don't know what else I have to change. So most likely, I'm gonna have to tear this car apart just to find out what needs to be done. I was trying to go and do this tomorrow, but unfortunately, I ended up with a boost leak. At this moment, the car itself, it's still drivable. You know, if you have a boost leak, it's still drivable, and it's a very small one too. But I don't want to push this car too much. I'd rather just keep it at home and just, you know, wait till I fix this. So I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. I'm gonna get to it, and if I can fix it early in the morning, I might go out and just try and to get that car fixed as well. I gotta clean everything out. I gotta toss everything out and seeing what else can be done. Hopefully I can get you guys some more content with that Datsun 280Z. And you know, who doesn't love a Z car? I mean, I know a lot of people who love 350Zs, so I mean, it's not the same, but you know, Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.